Hi everyone, it's Miss Beryl. We're going to do some Big 7 division today, and you can see I have drawn my Big 7 on there. Big 7 is just a way of organizing the problem. It doesn't have anything to do with the number of steps. It's just that we make a giant 7 when we do it. All right, so we're going to start out with the problem I have up here. I have 622 is my dividend, and 4 is my divisor. So I'm trying to split up 622, and I'm trying to split it up 4 ways. I'm going to look at this, and I'm going to ask myself, I'm going to pretend I have candy, 622 pieces of candy in a big pile, and I'm going to split it 4 ways. So I have 4 people sitting around this big pile of candy. I use candy because it just helps me visualize it. All right, so how many can I give each person for sure? Well, I don't want to go 1 for you, 1 for you, 1 for you. That's going to take forever. So I'm going to start with a big number, something big, like 1,000. Can I give each person 1,000? No. Can I give each person 100? Well, if I give each person 100, I will give out 100, another 100, another 100, and another 100. So that means I've given out a total of 400, 100, 200, 300, 400. That'll work, so I'm just going to put 100 here. It doesn't have to go in perfectly. We're doing partial quotients here. So if I take 622, divide it into 4, I can take 100, put 100 in each group. So after I put 100 in each group, means I've given away 400. So I no longer have 622 in my group, in my pile. I have 222. I'm going to take that 622, change it to 222, because I just gave away 400. Now I'm going to look at the 222, and I'm going to ask, does 4 work with 222? Well, yeah, it'll work with it somewhat close. Could I give 100 to each person again? No, because I only have 222. If I give out 100 to each, I'm having to give out 400. So I'm just going to take half of that 100 because I know how to work with my 5s. So if I give each 50, that means I have given out, let's see how much, 5 times 4 is 20, and then add along that 0 for place value because 50 times 4 is 200. And in case that was hard for you, you could always draw it out and go 50, 50, 50, and 50 what I have over here, and that will tell you that that is 200. So I'm going to add, or I'm going to take away, I'm going to take away 200 then from that 222. And that is going to leave me with 22. Now, I know that I've given each group so far 150. I can see that here, 100 plus 50. Now I have 22 left, and I'm going to try to split that 4 ways. Well, I know that we can use a lot of different things here, but I'm going to use 5 because I know that if I give each group 5, 10, 15, 20, that I have given away 20 more pieces of candy, right? So 5, 10, 15, 20 over here in our diagram. After those 20 pieces of candy are given out, I'm left with 2. Now, if I have 2 pieces of candy left, I'm not going to split them 4 ways. I'm not going to break them. So I'm going to stop right here, and that's just going to be my leftover. All right, so right here, now we're going to take a look at what we have. I've given everybody 100, and then 50, and then 5. And here it is, 100, then 50, and 5 on each of these. So how much did I give away total? 100 plus 50 plus 5. So 155 is how much each pile or each person got. But I'm not going to leave my answer down on the bottom because people expect it to be up here. So 622 divided by 4 is 155 with a remainder of 2. Meaning after I'm done splitting up all my pieces of candy, all my 622 pieces of candy. Everybody gets the same amount, which is 155, but there's still 2 little pieces left over. And that is it. Big 7 in a nutshell.